Hello everyone and welcome back to another video by DevMingler. In today's video, I am going to do a quick recap over what we covered in our previous video, and then I'm going to discuss the topic for today's video, and then we're going to take a deep dive in. Okay, so previously we spoke about who DevMingler is, what the community is about, why we exist, and the different areas within the DevMingler community. And we also did a demo on how you can get started with us. And if we go through the website a bit, we can see the three reasons why we exist are: firstly, it's a space for developers to build out awesome software with each other. The second reason being it's a space for us to provide and also receive mentorship from others within the community. And also this is a space for us to mingle. And the three areas within DevMingler are GitHub, Discord, and YouTube. Okay, so if you've come from our previous video and have hopefully signed up and decided to join us on GitHub, Discord, and YouTube, you will be wanting to get started. So today's video, we're going to get focused only on the first reason, which is building out awesome software. And to do that, I'm going to take you through what that looks like on our Discord server, but also I'm going to show you what that looks like on our GitHub account and how you can start contributing. So if we start with Discord and we go over to the server guide, you'll see that there are some resources that we can all get access to. Over here, you'll see that there are two projects that you can get started with. I'm going to open this in my browser. Okay, and you'll see that the first repo is for the logo matcher game, and there is a corresponding channel that's been created on our Discord server. So as we're building out the software and committing to the GitHub repo, you can see what's happening in the logo matcher game channel. And then the same applies for the logo pairs game. For the GitHub repo, while you're contributing to that repo, you can come over to this channel and chat away. I'm going to show you both of the channels. You can see here's the information around the repo, and I've been chatting away a bit about some inspiration I found for some logos. And yeah, similar for this channel, there is some chatter around what's been built out on this repo. Okay, I'm going to come back to Discord. Let's just head over to GitHub and go through both of the repos. For the first repo, you can see this is the logo matcher game, and the aim of this project is to travel through the various levels. They range in difficulty, and you need to identify what the logos are. But as an example, I think it's easier for us to see visually. This is what it looks like. This is V1 for level 1. There's going to be various levels, and you'll see that in the README over here, and we can expand this as we go. For now, we have implemented level 1, and this is what level 1 looks like. So you got to go ahead and figure out, okay, what are these different logos? Can I remember what this means? Okay, I think I know what this means. I'm going to go with this. Yeah, it's Ruby. And I'm going to continue doing the other ones. This is Xamarin. I'm not going to do all of them because I don't want to give it away for you. But yeah, so this is what level 1 looks like currently. And if we go back to the repo, you'll see that there are other levels that also need to be implemented. And to keep track of all of this, we have issues. Oh yeah. So anyone can come along and have a look-see at what the issues are for the repo, and whatever like you are interested in, you can pick it up, assign it to yourself, and build out the code for that, and then let us know on the channel on Discord, hey, you've picked up this issue for this specific channel relating to the project, and you're keen to have a look and try and implement the feature, enhancement, bug resolution, whatever you want to do. This is a bit small, but it's a screenshot of what the issues are. My bad. Over here. Similar concept for the second repo that's ongoing. This is a logo pairing game. I'm going to open up a deployed version for you to see. Anyone can have a look and go to this URL on your device. And this is a matching game sort of thing where you got to figure out where my pair is. So, well, I mean, it's like, okay, wait, what was that? HTML5. Okay, wait, HTML5, HTML5. Cool. Wait, now I'm giving away the game. Okay, currently this level is static, so the layout of these logos will remain the same after refreshing. And then if you check the README, there's also various levels for this game also. As you can see, level 1 is a static order, and level 2 is where we implemented dynamic order, and then it continues to be a dynamic order. So I'm not going to go further into where all the answers are. You can figure that out yourself. And then likewise with this repo, you can see, okay, cool, I'm interested in building out, you know, this issue or that issue. I take interest in this. And then the same thing applies. You pick up the issue. Well, I think level 4 is a bit far. Let's go back and see. Okay, so to complete level 1, I see there's only one issue that's open. No, I'm not reading properly. There's 2 issues for level 1 that need to be implemented. And then we have a couple, also 2 for level 2. So if you want to have a look at what needs to be implemented for level 1, and then we work our way up and see what else needs to be implemented along the way for the different levels of the game, you pick up the issue, assign it to yourself, let us know in the channel on our Discord server that you've picked up this issue and this is your progress. Like you can see, we put screenshots of what it looks like and URLs and inspiration, all of that jazz we posted in the channel. So I think, yes, this is where you come if you want to start deving out on DevMingler. And what it looks like on Discord, as you can see, there are still the other channels. You can go ahead and explore them. I went along and I posted my ideas that I wanted to build out, and DevMingler came up and created some threads with a link to the newly created repo, and that's where I started contributing. All contributors will be added to the repo so you can build out your features, bug fixes, you name it. And you can see the threads over here. But yeah, you feel free to go through the other channels and have at it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, pop a comment on the video or pop us an email. However you want to contact us, pop us a message on our Discord server, you name it, and we'll respond. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon.